Hello everyone, in this video we will learn 10 top shortcut keys for Excel table. So let's start. The first shortcut key, Ctrl plus T. Create a table from selected data. So to select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. And the second way is simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the Ctrl A to select the entire data. And then you can press here Ctrl T to convert this data in table. Just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see your data is converted in table. I use here the undo action. So Ctrl plus Z undo the action and I show you the second shortcut key to create a table. Ctrl plus L and here you can see the same dialog box is open to create table. Just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see your data is converted in table. Okay. And the third shortcut key, filter on or off in a table. Just click on your filters and you can press the Ctrl Shift L to off the filter, Ctrl Shift L to on the filter. Okay. Then fourth shortcut key, tab. Okay. Move to the next cell in the table. When you press the tab key, you can see the move to the next cell in the table. Okay. And the second next shortcut key, Shift plus tab. Okay. Move to the previous cell in a table. Shift plus tab. See here. Shift plus tab. I just press Shift plus tab. Move to the previous cell in a table. Okay. The next shortcut key, Alt plus down arrow. Open the filter drop down menu. Simply click on the filter and press the Alt plus down arrow to open the drop down menu of the filters. Okay, you can filter here easily. Okay, next shortcut key, Ctrl plus space. Select the entire column within a table. Just select the cell and if you want to select this column, category column, just select the any cell in this column and press the Ctrl plus space to select the entire column. Next shortcut key, Shift plus space. Select the entire row within a table. Okay, Shift plus space. Okay. Simply select the any cell. If you want to select this 7-number row, select the any cell in this row and you just press the Shift plus space to select the entire row. Okay. And if you want to delete the row, you can use the next shortcut key, Control plus minus. So simply select the any cell here. And if you select this cell, the 9-number row will be deleted. Control plus minus. You can see the 9-number row is deleted. This is a 6 amount. You can see when I press the Control minus, the 6 amount quantities row is deleted. Okay. And next shortcut key, Control plus Shift plus plus. Okay. So to use the Control plus Shift plus plus to insert the row or column. To insert the row, simply select any cell if you want to insert the row here. So just simply select the one cell and you can press here Control plus Shift plus plus and you can see the row is inserted. Okay. If you want to insert the column, simply select any column if you want to insert here. So just press the Control plus Shift plus plus and you can see the column 1 is inserted. And now here I show you one bonus tip for Excel table shortcut key. So simply select the first cell and you can press the Control N key to select the last cell. And here you can see in last row, you just select the last cell, okay? And press the tab to add the row. You can just see the tab is added. Again, I select the last cell of the last row. And again, I press the tab. See, when you press the tab, select the last cell and press the tab. Select the last cell and press the tab. Select the last cell, press the tab. See, the row is added in your table. Okay, if you want to add extra data, you can add here easily. Just simply press tab to add table row. So that's it. This is a way you can use the top 10 shortcut key for Excel table. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.